Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I have found another interesting AI model and its name is Kimi-Dev-72b and you don't have to install this model. We will use this model through API and this model is specifically for the software engineering task. And here you see this is the official post. Thrilled to announce Kimi-Dev-72b, our new open source coding LLM for software engineering tasks. Kimi-Dev-72b achieves 60.4% resolve rate on SWE bench, means the software engineering bench verified. And you see that this model is completely open source. On this Hugging Face repository you will find it, and below they have written one thing: this Kimi-Dev-72b is optimized via large scale reinforcement learning. It autonomously patches real repositories in Docker and gains reward only when the entire test suite passes, and this ensured correct and robust solution aligning with real-world development standard. So you can see that you will get the best output from this model. And also if I take you to this image that they have posted, they have done the comparison between the DeepSeek model and this Llama model also. And also some days ago I made a video on this DevStral. I hope you remember. If you are following my channel, then on this channel you will find this video, this DevStral. Here you see this was the video. It was basically one coding agent model from the Mistral. But this Kimi-Dev 72 billion is actually beating that model, and it is beating this DeepSeek new variant, DeepSeek R10525 also. And they have also mentioned one thing, that Kimi-Dev is empowered by the duo design of bug fixer and test writer. Here you see this one is bug fixer and this one is the test writer. These two functionality is there. We share a similar routine. Either of them first finds the right file to edit, then edit the correct code updates, be it rectifying fragile implementations or inserting unit test function. Kimi-Dev adopts the same framework for both roles in mid-training and reinforcement learning. Here you see that you have these files and the code edit that you have requested, and this is the bug fixer, this functionality, and it will understand that what it has to do, and it will first fix the bug, then it will request this test writer that the code that I have fixed, please test it, and it will generate that unit test case here. And after this unit test case, if it finds bug in that new code, then it will generate again that code and again it will test that. So it is an iterative process, and after this iteration, if all of these things are okay, then it will do that code edit and it will place that file. After reinforcement learning, Kimi-Dev-72b masters the role of both a bug fixer and a test writer. During test time, it adopts a self-play mechanism to coordinate its bug fixing and test writing abilities. So these both functionality are coordinating together, and it is producing the best code, and a scaling effect is observed. Okay, now how to use this? So first of all, go to this OpenRouter. We will use it through OpenRouter. It is completely free. Here you see $0 for the 1 million input token and $0 for the 1 million output token. And go to this VS Code and install any of these extension, Cline or RooCode or KiloCode, whatever you prefer. Now I am showing it in Cline, and the setup is same for every other extension also. Now here select this OpenRouter, and under this model select this Kimi, and here you see this Kimi-Dev-72b and free. Select this one, and here you have to provide this OpenRouter API key. And how to get that API key? So go to this OpenRouter and go to this page. I have given this link in description. Go to this API, and there you will find this create API option. Click on that, and here click on this create API key. Give any name here, and after that you will find your API key. Okay, so place that API key here, And also one thing that they have mentioned, that based on Qwen 2.5 72 billion, it optimized using large scale reinforcement learning that applies code patches in real repositories and validates them via full test suite execution. Okay, rewarding only correct and robust completions. So save this model, and after that I hope you know that how to use it through Cline. Means there is on plan mode, act mode. I have made several videos on that, so if you are facing any issue, then go to my channel, and there just go to this search option here and search here Cline and press enter, and you will find several videos, several setup. Like I have done this setup with Qwen 3 also, and this Devstral, and this Gemini 2.5 Pro O3 Flex that I have published yesterday. So if you have not watched this video till now, please watch. You will get many advantage, because this Flex is the new feature that they have added in their O3 and O4 mini model. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to watch the other videos also. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.